the idea of critical thinking. Some people stumble into critical thinking because they have a uh, science technology background, they have a physics background, or they have a computer science, electrical engineering background, so on and so forth. Some people have a mathematics background. So these fields of knowledge, physics, computer science, engineering in general, math where abstract and pure math is involved, or even engineering mathematics for that matter. So essentially speaking, if we boil it down to the fundamentals, it's like physics, math, some amount of chemistry, some amount of biology. These are like the core areas of knowledge wherein we should focus and concentrate our efforts as we are learning and growing, so that we can fundamentally think about how universe works, how the universe works, and how we can fundamentally analyze various different traits of the universe and various different ways in which the universe is going to impact our lives, etc. Abstracting from that, we have the engineering sciences or the engineering disciplines, mainly computer science and electrical engineering is something I would like to point out. They are like very, very important. Apart from that, in order to develop our own scholastic aptitude and mental faculties for critical thinking and reasoning, it is important to solve puzzles often, logical puzzles and riddles, etc. It is important to solve these things often. These things are going to lead to us being able to think critically and improving the microstructure of our brain, investing in improving the microstructure of our brain, and hence being able to perform successfully in life. These are more technical skill sets in nature. Now let's talk about the social skill sets and the understanding of the social sciences like sociology, psychology, philosophy, linguistics, anthropology, etc. As well as developing the social charisma and the social wit and charm, and being charismatic and being socially savvy, so as to say. These aspects also play a major role in the success of an individual in general. And when we abstract and extrapolate this to the success of a business, then in that particular case, what's going to happen is that technical skill set, when combined with people skills, that is what is actually going to lead to synergy. And when this is combined with pushing the boundaries of human reality and helping the customer achieve what they want to achieve at a lesser price with more universal selection at a better affordability for the customer, that is when true business success happens. Coming back to the focus of this particular video, critical thinking is extremely important when it comes to being successful in various endeavors in life, especially business success as well as success in improving the microstructure of your brain, of one's own brain. And these are some of the disciplines that I would consider important when, let's say, I am hiring for a top managerial level position, or if I am hiring or recruiting somebody, or maybe forming a business association or a partnership with somebody in order to further the interest of the companies on this planet Earth as well as further the interest of humanity on planet Earth. Light speed.